In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and start fresh with a blank presentation, or pick a built-in template if you want a head start. Templates give you coordinated looks right away, while a blank file lets you build everything from scratch. Next, head to the Design tab to choose a theme. A theme controls your presentation's overall personality, colors, fonts, and default layouts. Click through the options to preview how they change your slides. If your content is formal, choose a clean, understated theme. For something more creative, try a bold color set. Consistency here saves time later. On your first slide, click the title placeholder and type in your main headline. Keep it concise and clear so your audience immediately knows what the presentation is about. In the subtitle or content box, add a brief description, a date, or a short tagline. Use natural capitalization and avoid cramming in too much text. To build out your deck, go to the Home tab and click New Slide. Use the Layout menu to match your content. Title slide is great for section breaks. Title and content works for most points with bullets, and picture with caption is ideal when an image should take center stage with a short explanation beneath it. When you're ready to enrich your slides, switch to the Insert tab. Add pictures to illustrate ideas, and use shapes or icons to create simple diagrams or highlight key points. Insert charts or tables when you need data to be clear and comparable. Text boxes are perfect for callouts or quotes. After placing elements, drag the corners to resize, align them with the built-in guides, and keep spacing even for a polished look. Bring motion in carefully with transitions and animations. Under transitions, pick a subtle slide effect and adjust its duration. Apply it to all if you want a uniform flow. Under animations, reveal bullet points or emphasize specific objects. Keep effects minimal so they support your message without distracting from it. As you arrange and design, keep slides simple and clean. Use bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Choose readable fonts and stick to a consistent color palette. Leave enough white space, maintain contrast for legibility, and aim for one main idea per slide. When you're happy, click File, then Save As, choose your location, and give the file a clear name. Save often to avoid losing changes. To present, go to Slideshow and select from beginning. Use the arrow keys to move through your slides smoothly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.